Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you some basics about how to use Excel, add some data to column and rows. So here I have a file, and we have some columns and we have some rows. I've already added some data. The crucial thing to remember is columns are labeled with letters, rows are labeled with numbers. Now let's say that you're starting your table and you don't know which ones should be the columns and which way should be the rows. Don't let that stop you. Just start filling in the data, because when you're ready, you can always copy your data. So I'm going to highlight my data, Control-C to copy, and then I'm going to go under Paste, Paste Special, and check this out. There's a transpose button right here. Click OK, and there it is. There's that same data, but now what was the columns are the rows, and the rows are now the columns. So you can do it either way. Like I said, just get started. It's the best way to use it. Thanks. Hope you learned something.